Hi, I'm Ana Sofia, and I went to the Nord Anglia STEAM Festival 2026.
Hi, I'm Mark and I went to the STEAM Festival.
My name is Andrew.
Hi, I'm Valeria.
Before this trip, I felt like I wasn't the best at physics, but then after this trip, I realized that I was invited to it, and this experience made my vision of the world bigger. It really helped me, and now I don't doubt myself in almost anything anymore. I know that I have the potential and the mindset to achieve anything I want.
When I was in the parks and in the workshops, I got to know my friends better and I got to meet a lot of people.
You would have your workshops. There were storytelling, technology, physics, and others, and each one was situated at a different park.
I took physics and design of Disney parks. They taught us about gravity and how in Tower of Terror, you don't fall at the speed of gravity, they pull you down.
They take us in Epcot to Ratatouille backstage. I feel special, and it was cool because I see things that I didn't imagine that exist.
I made the technology workshop and I really liked it because they took us backstage on the games. I didn't know that in Disney they use QR codes to move the games, and they also use water to power some games. So that was really interesting for me.
It was very fun and very interesting.
Nord Anglia students are really open-minded because even if you don't have the same interests, you can always end up making friends. It's really cool.